Hey, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Good to see you.
So happy to see you too.
Yeah. So, congratulations, by the way, Dr. Parvati, for your clinic. It's looking so beautiful. It's so massive. It's like amazing. The whole ambience is so amazing.
Thank you, Dr. Anamika. Thank you so much.
You're sitting over there in your clinic,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah. It's my consulting room and I'm here.
Yeah. How's the feeling?
Truly speaking, I'm feeling so blessed
Yeah.
and so privileged and so overwhelmed.
Yeah.
And it's like a dream come true.
Yes. Yes.
So,
Indeed. Indeed.
yeah, so hats off to the Lord, hats off to you, my lovely coach.
You did everything.
Thank you, Doctor.
Tell me about your journey, like how you started and when this idea of having your clinic came, where it is. Give me all the details.
Sure, sure, sure. So, myself, Dr. Parvati Ravindran, and I'm from Kerala. And I did my graduation in Ayurveda and post graduation in general medicine in Ayurveda.
Yeah.
And also, I completed my cosmetology, clinical cosmetology, and Ayurvedic cosmetology as well. After that, after finishing my PG since 2015, I had been working under a National Research of Institute for Panchakarma at
Yeah.
Cherusuri, Kerala, under the Ministry of Ayush, CCRS. And after relieved from there, past 1 year, I was having this idea of taking up my own clinic, building up my own center. But in between, so many hurdles came, and I could not move on. But in between that, I was sticking on to my passion and my dream, and I started the journey.
Yeah.
And meanwhile, I started Magnificent Morning, and
Yeah.
you very much accelerate my fire inside me, and that's how this happened.
I got you like big push. Come on, wake up and do something.
Exactly. I'm like a slow person, and if I get a push, then I'm just like explode.
Ah, super. So
Yeah.
good. Great. And
So
how's the yes, tell me more.
yeah, so this magnificent. First of all, I need to thank my dear friend Indu, who is from Kochi.
Yeah.
She the one showed me the path to this magnificent morning,
Yeah.
and that's why how I got you in my life.
Brilliant. Thanks to
So,
her. I got
and
you as well.
yeah, and after being joining the magnificent morning, those 1 week like the beautiful week of my life ever I got.
Wow.
Like we were so excited and we were like so much to do in life. We were actually realizing the purpose of life and
Yes.
happiness in fulfilling our goal.
Yes. Beautiful. So this desire of yours, which you have fulfilled by having your own Ayurvedic spa, is in which city?
Near Trishur.
Near Thrissur.
Yeah,
Okay. And
Irinalakuda. The place name is Irinalakuda.
okay. And if I have to come there, how
Yeah,
do I go about it? Like, how do I reach out to you? And my, like, everybody who's going to watch this video, please
yeah.
help.
Okay, if you are flying, then Kochi, Nadumbasheri is the near destination. From there, only 45 minutes to
Okay.
my clinic. Yeah,
Okay. So I come there and I take a spa, day spa, and then I can go back and I can come
yeah,
back home, is it?
yeah. Within 1 day, you can fly back.
Yeah, is it? It's so cool, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, brilliant. Okay, and tell me more about the services. Like, what will a person come, like male, female, whosoever comes? What kind of services I can take from you?
So it's a basically Ayurveda, pure Ayurveda, and
Yeah,
we do have Panchakarma therapies, all kind of therapies. Like we have all packages like stress relieving, obesity package, and our joint disorders,
yeah.
yoga meditation,
Okay.
Ayurvedic cosmetology part, all a solution for all your skin problems,
Uh
hair
huh.
problems,
Uh huh.
and
Okay.
also we have diet regulations according to each diseases. Everything we advise.
Okay. Brilliant. So you give the advices, you give the service. Do you also dispatch products like across India? Do you courier it?
Yes, I can.
Huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
in
Oh,
courier
great.
I can dispatch.
Amazing, amazing.
Thank you,
All
doctor.
right. And now when you started with the spa, like it was, I remember last we spoke, it was still in under construction,
Yeah.
and you were concerned like how your family will react to it. Your husband is there, your mother-in-law is there, your mother was there. So tell me, how it was the reaction?
Although everybody is there for me, it was like me, the only responsible person to execute the plan.
Hmm.
I was running. Yeah, yeah.
Army, yeah.
And you remember the one-to-one session we had,
Yeah.
and I was in a totally down state, and you the one who pushed me up, and I could resolve you like this. You resolve my all issues, and I was like, oh my god.
Yes.
And this marathon, like last since this is a month anniversary. Today is a month anniversary of my center.
Oh,
Last
congratulations. Very nice.
thank
Congratulations on your month anniversary.
So last 25th it got started. So before that it was a marathon running for me.
Yeah.
So truly speaking, your tips, your advices, noting down all these, and daily, weekly, monthly, I was just noting down all those tasks,
Yeah.
and the 2010 formula,
Yes.
which
Yes.
which was a wonderful tool for me, which worked well,
Okay.
and the ASM mechanism
Yes.
once more, and the mental movie.
Yes.
You won't believe, man, Amiga. I took the printout of my center and I pasted it on my bedroom wall.
Yeah.
Every morning when I wake up, I see that. Oh my God, I I have to run. I have to run. That
Yes.
that punch I was getting, and oh, one day each day I have to do the task. I was just checklisting everything,
Yeah.
and like that I could reach here.
Amazing. Yeah. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you. I mean, I'm so touched with your, like, listening to all this thing. Like, you were able to apply each and every method that I taught you.
Yeah, I was keeping I kept a notebook for that, and I was keep on research what points I have to do, what points I have to improve, and all. And obviously so many hurdles were there. It was like so many ups and downs. So I was just listening to a words like life is like this, not like this.
Correct. That's true.
And, yeah, and at the even if any negative things happen, I just wait. I just take a pause, and then I'll just say that no, I deserve better than this.
Absolutely. I totally believe in that. I'm
Yeah.
so happy you said it. We deserve better than this every
So
single day.
hats off to you, dear.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's you who did it. I give the whole credit to you, actually. Because see, there are so many hundreds, I have like thousands of students coming and learning and being part of Magnificent Morning, being part of MLC, Magnificent Life Challenge, going through the program Total Image Recall, Wealth Frequency Challenge, but there are very few who create this success story. So it's all you.
Thank you.
Yeah. And one more, I have one question, short question. Like, Dr. Parvati, when it comes to money and being a woman and in India, and if you want to be an entrepreneur,
Yeah.
so how were your fears around money? What kind of fears you dealt with? How did you dealt with?
First of all, being a Indian, being an entrepreneur, it was like it is not an easy task.
Yes.
Family, husband, and other responsibilities, lot
Yes.
of questions, lot of queries,
Yes.
everything together. That's the part where I was struggling.
Yeah.
So I was believing in myself, and I do combine my confidence and congruence together. I
Yeah.
I believed in these two, and I convinced everybody that I can do this and I could do it.
Great.
So
Great. And was convincing easy?
no, never. That's where I faced uh, too much
Criticism?
negative. Yeah, no, too much criticisms and too much negative comments and everything. But at that moment, I could say, no, but all this from my left brain. No,
Yeah.
move on, move forward. There is something for you. So believe yourself, and like that it worked out. And the mental movie, of course, the mental movie. You won't believe that I was seeing the mental movie of my inaugural ceremony. I was now having an idea that okay, when it will happen, how it can be executed, but I used to see that mental movie every day with detailing,
Right.
the colors, the flowers, everything, and I could really feel the fragrance.
Yeah.
So, like that exactly happened. So
Yeah.
I felt so happy.
Yeah, because trust me, when I saw your inaugural pics, I'm so like I felt all the positivity, and as if this was bound to happen, like it was destined. You actually picturized this and you got it on the platform in real life. Yes.
Truly. That's
So
what Magnificent Morning made me to organize in a structured and more disciplined and in a very finer and brighter way.
amazing. Tell me, how can I help you today?
Anamika, you are, first of all, I need to tell everyone that you are a gem. You are a gem to all your students, to all your family, and you bless everybody abundance in abundance.
Yes.
So I just want to, I am just grateful to you, and I don't have any words. If I say thank you, it will be so formal. So I'm just grateful to you. Be with me in my journey,
Okay.
and do visit my center.
I
As
will
soon as
promise. I
possible.
will
Yeah,
come. Yes, I will.
promise me that you will be here.
Yes, I will. You may never know which how soon, but I will come for sure.
Yeah, dear, I'm waiting eagerly for you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Great. Great. So, one last message that you would like to give to, there are so many upcoming entrepreneur females who will see your interview right now.
Yes.
There would be some ladies who want to start their side hustle, side business. What kind of message you would like to give them? What are the mistakes that they should not do, and what are the things that they should do?
Okay. First of all, believe yourself, believe your heart, believe your intuitions, and have a correct plan. What
Yeah.
you really want to do, what you really want the outcome, what you don't want. Bifurcate these two first, and how can the other people can contribute you positively. Take
Yes.
their opinion, take them into your side,
Yeah.
and just cut off the negative criticisms and negative people, toxic relations out of you. That is
Yes.
the first thing. And plan very clearly, and
Yeah.
all these including budget, everything very clearly, and make a project like a 5 year project or a
Yeah.
project. Have a clear cut idea, crystal clear idea,
Right.
and just be confident
Yeah.
and move on
Yeah.
and join Magnificent Morning.
Okay, one solid question I want to ask. See, many times we as an entrepreneur don't take certain decisions because we think that money is not there. I don't have capital, I don't have enough funds. What is your suggestion then? What to do that time?
So there are so many opportunities now. Like we can avail loan, or we can what we can do, how we can produce income, or how we can generate revenue from the available sources,
Yeah.
and that you should keep remember. And you
Yeah.
can bifurcate whether it is much needed, or not needed, or later needed. So
Yeah. Yeah.
you
Part
can,
of the flexi. Yeah. Well,
yeah,
frequency challenge. Yes.
yeah. So you can bifurcate, and you can just put it all together. If you need to start a clinic with a budget of 5 lakhs, you can
Yes.
just purchase the things which is most needed. And
Yeah.
after the next stage, you can just expand.
Correct, correct. So true, so true. One
So,
question again here. Dr. Parvati, the feeling of ego is very high among Indians. I'm very honest about it. So, taking help from family members, taking help from husband, especially for ladies, it becomes a big question mark that how can I take my husband's money? Did you go through this kind of struggle? How did you deal with it?
yes, it was a part of my like journey. Like when I was stuck in between,
Yeah,
obviously I should ask help because they are the surrounded people.
yeah,
So they'll be helping out me for just maybe 1 or 2 or couple of years. After that, I can repay them. Once
correct.
I'm stable, I can help them out. So
Yeah,
I think it's a give and take process. So we
true.
should respect them. They should also understand my situation. So I think give respect, give space. That's a mutual understanding.
You spoke my mind completely.
Yeah. There is no wrong in that. I
Yeah,
believe.
absolutely. There's nothing wrong in that. That's what like our relationship is supposed to be. Like you said, give and take.
Yeah,
Yeah, why
yeah.
not?
We live for the happiness, and they are a part of us, and we are a part of them also. So it's a mutual understanding.
Amazing. Great, Dr. Parvati. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you for your time.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Omega. Thank you so much. I'm feeling so grateful because after opening this my own clinic, it's the first interview by my own coach.
Yes, definitely. You
I'm
are part
happy.
of, yes, because you were actually part of Hall of Magnificence. You have created a success story. So
Yeah,
you are the leading person. You are inspiration every week in my class, by the way. Your
so
class
thank
is
you so much, dear. I am so overwhelmed and privileged to be a part of this all magnificent morning.
yeah, yeah. Great. All the very best, dear. See you around. Yeah, I'll see you in person very soon.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
Waiting eagerly for you. Thank you, Anamika. Thank you.
Yes, dear. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.